My name is Casey Peters. I'm with Carter Bank and Trust out of Martinsville, Virginia. We use Frontier, and we have been on Frontier for almost 6 years, and it has really just changed our lives. It really has. Everything was paper. We just had these binders of reconciliations, paper, scanning them in, saving them onto the core, and it was so time-consuming. Some of the benefits that we have seen at Carter Bank is saving time and getting people to have more time to work on other things. For instance, our Federal Reserve account, it was basically someone's entire job to balance this account and to make sure that it didn't have too many outstanding transactions. And now with Frontier, we have the Fed balanced 8 minutes. It's just so seamless. Everything is in one place. Our auditors love it. Our internal auditors can just go right in and see the reconciliations that have been completely certified. Everything is housed, it's neat, it's in one package, and you can just hand it off when it's needed. Advice that I would give to others who are looking to start, just do it. You do have to designate someone to be your FI's hero. Somebody has to step up and make all the accounts and see what works best for your business. In the end, your auditors will love it. Your CFOs will love it. Everything is streamlined. Everything is packaged. It's right there. So I say just do it. What it's like working with Trintech, it has been awesome. The training is phenomenal. They send videos. I think it might even be twice a month. I know it's at least once a month. They're great refresher courses. Even if you feel like you just know everything, watch the videos.